What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Bassetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your T-Fuel tokens if there's room to my Elite Edge node, because either way, you're going to help out my channel, help out the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out, earn as much T-Fuel passively as possible and utilize it however you want on ThetaDrop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. So really am looking forward to the new news for Theta, because in this video today we're going to talk about how Theta is increasing their chances for people to receive Theta tokens so you can buy it on a different exchange. And then we do have some new news for those who are managing deployments, any application interfaces for those who are utilizing the Theta technology, and a little bit more about some of their partners that they've partnered with in the last year or so. Starting on X, we're going to see that Jihe long post, Theta network dev community has been asking if they can deploy models through application interfaces. We hear you. Today we're thrilled to launch their model deployment API feature, enabling users to manage their model deployment programmatically. Learn more. Here we're going to go onto this link that's listed here by Jihe. Seen here is some of their table of contents in a sense. On the left here you can see, and seeing whatever information applies to you. So managing deployments programmatically, while you can manage, for example, create your AI deployments, Theta Edge Cloud dashboard, you can also do it programmatically using Theta Edge Cloud API keys. This guide walks you through how to create your Edge Cloud API keys, as well as how to use them and manage your deployments. So here's the steps, and then whatever link it most applies to you to help whatever information that you need in order to set up. Continue on to Theta Network. Seen here is the news I was talking about in terms of an exchange. We're thrilled for Theta to be listed on Binance Japan next week. Following Theta's approval for trading in Japan by the Japanese Virtual Currency Exchange Association, they have been in discussions for some time to enter the Japan market. And this year, with the help of Binance Japan, we received approval for Theta listing. While the journey was long, in the end it was paid off to enter the market in a strong position. We take this approach in other jurisdictions as well, and while process can take time, it has served Theta well in avoiding missteps that have hurt other crypto projects. With regulatory sentiment toward crypto turning in a positive direction around the world, including in the United States, we believe this strategy will pay off and will continue to see increased user access for Theta and all the tokens in the Theta ecosystem. You can check out this post right here on July 31st of 2024. This was just reposted on August 1st of 2024, so very recent in the making of this video. So it's really nice thinking that Japan has one of the bigger economic markets in the world. I believe it's like top 5 or top 10 in the world, and I'm just with their technology, what they have in their country themselves, it's going to be really something great to see, especially with you have Sony, and also I believe Samsung is going to be a part of Theta's networks in some sort of way. We already know that Samsung has been affiliated with their NFTs. Sony in a sense because of the spatial reality display, but that was like 2 years ago, and I haven't really heard too much more news about Theta and Sony in any recent videos that I've made or anything on posts on X or anything really like headline like that's noteworthy in a sense. But either way, just seeing this another step on another exchange. I have not used Binance Japan. I'm not sure if that's, I'm assuming it's only for that country. I am from the United States, so it makes sense for me to use Coinbase and any other exchange. But if you've used it before, I believe there are some people who are from Japan who watch this video or who are part of Theta network that I've met in the past. So if you've used this exchange before, definitely put some thoughts and comments down below, guys. It will definitely help out the community members as well as myself. Continuing on to a little bit more here, we're going to see that ThetaDrop themselves updated. Start claiming Sapphire VIP shards today. As the Sapphire Theta Beast has been airdropped to all VIPs earlier today, use this Theta Beast to claim new Sapphire shards and claim rewards via the challenges. Here are them here. Their VIP shards and challenges have continued to be added extra value to the standard VIP benefits. We plan to make them more engaging and interactive for all VIP users. With many more VIP members, we're focused on better managing shard circulation and planning rewards more effectively. There is a 1-month window to convert your bronze, silver, and gold VIP shards into new Sapphire VIP shards. Future VIP shards will be given through challenges. Future shard drops and challenges will require Sapphire shards and an active bronze, silver, or gold VIP status. Each VIP tier may have its own reward. So here are the shards. I'm not too sure where they're really going with this, guys. It's kind of hard for me to really describe. It's feel like it's still, ThetaDrop is in the beta testing still, so I feel like they're still beta testing the VIP reward system. I'm not the biggest fan of it because I feel like when I show you guys what they're showcasing us, like what they're providing, I feel like there's really no value there. I feel like it's just saying, oh, like I got a status, but there really isn't true value to it unless they have some sort of challenges where you can redeem redeem it for something. Like, I know some of the Theta products are pretty cool and all, but like, I don't know, maybe I'm just being a little greedy, but maybe something more. I just can't think of something else. Maybe like a ticket to be in one a part of the convention or something, or maybe some sort of discount is the only thing I can really think of. But the ThetaCon is a community driven event, and then it's not necessarily affiliated by Theta because they're not the ones organizing it. It's more of a community based event. That's the best way for me to explain it, but hopefully they do some collaboration, and that's the only use case I can really think of as of right now in the making of this video. Put some thoughts and comments down below what you guys think, the Sapphire shards or like any VIP status, what Theta Network should really be doing, and then maybe, who knows, if they watch these videos and might spark some sort of interest or controversy to help reward those who are really VIP status members for a long period of time. Going on to the actual challenges as well, you do see the challenges that was linked before, and then you do have a month. So it looks like in the base and the making of this video, you have until the end of August to transfer any kind of shards that were on the older side. What happens to the old ones if it passed the deadline, I'm not necessarily too sure. Maybe they'll just be inactive, you can't use it. Maybe it'll just be an NFT that you have, but I'm not too sure exactly. But you can see all the gold, silver, bronze, VIP to shard conversions. So if you guys have any VIP shards to burn, you'll be able to do that. And then these are the booster packs for their Nexus pack. I'm not too sure. I feel like there should be some more value to this, because when you click on it, you'll see what's available, but then like, I don't know if you'll be able to use this for anything. I feel like these are just some of the Gen AI artworks that was created using the Edge Cloud. It really looks like that. So if I really wanted to, I can just do this myself. I don't really need an NFT. There's no rewards to it. It doesn't say too much about if you do collect them, like what it's the purpose other than just having it. That's just me like basing off of what I'm reading. I could be misinterpreting it, but I don't really think I am. Here are more T-drop burn challenges if you just want more T-drop to utilize, but they also still have to work on that because I feel like there hasn't really been too much use case on that type of TNT20 token. So there's gonna be a lot of improvements. Of course, it still says beta right here when I hover over my mouse, but we shall see in terms of the updates that they want to provide for everyone, especially those VIP members. Continue on to Lavita, the partners that I wanted to highlight. Looks like they do have their AMA listed already, so it looks like this was posted on right here, July 31st of 2024. It was about an hour of an AMA. I have not watched it myself just yet, but I just want to provide this information for you guys in case you want to hop into it for the new developments for AI and healthcare. I also do want to mention for AI says the first 50 members who signed up for the Lavita platform beta test, they've shared invitation codes for you to join the beta experience. Check your inbox for details and be among the first to explore the platform. Thank you once again for your support and for being a pivotal part of this exciting journey. We look forward to your contributions. I signed up for it, but I haven't heard anything from it. I checked my email, but I haven't seen anything, so I'm assuming I'm not the first 50. If you are one of the first 50, if you're able to talk about it, put some thoughts and comments down below, any discussions that you're able to. I feel like you probably wouldn't be able to. There's probably some sort of NDA agreement that you had to sign because it's still in a process for this platform, so I'm assuming for those who are probably in the beta test, you probably can't talk about it. But if you can, that'd be really cool, and then really am looking forward to seeing this update for this platform itself. Last but not least, I do want to mention, says TensorOpera AI. It's the most powerful open source model from Meta. Now available on TensorOpera AI at the high throughput and the low price of just $4.90 per million tokens. Getting started to obtain the Llama on TensorOpera AI platform, and if you need further dedicated endpoints for production and advanced deployment, observability, and security features, contact this person here. So the reason why I post this is because TensorOpera AI is affiliated with Theta Network in terms of these type of updates and connections. But overall, that's all I really have for you guys. So thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber and coming back to the channel. Would not be here without you guys. If you're a new viewer trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your TFO tokens if there's space to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFO passively as possible and utilize it however you want on ThetaDrop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta, or with just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Really am looking forward to the exciting news for Theta, the new exchanges, the new updates, new technology awareness, but who knows where we'll go by the end of this year. I am hoping for a positive type of return in the end of this year, or if not next year. But until the next video, guys, and just another reminder that none of these videos are financial advice. Definitely do your own research before investing. But until the next Theta video, the next Theta update, it is your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.